She's at the supermarket. We have a supermarket in Texas? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, they're at the supermarket. It's Walmart's in Texas. Let me open your mouth. Let me open your mouth. Dad, not going to school anymore. That's so funny, my Gelsa. Let me put you in the microwave. The microwave. The microwave. What? What? That's cereal. I'm not going to school anymore. That's so funny, my Gelsa. She's supposed to steal she's supposed to steal the shopping cart. She steal the shopping cart. She steal the cart. That's so funny, by Gelsas. Get back here! That's very slippery. I'm not going to school anymore. That's so funny, my Gelsias. What? She's a lion. That's so funny. That's nails. She's at the supermarket. Oh, yeah? In Texas. We have a store in Texas. It's Walmart, Kroger, Target. What? She's at the top. That's so funny, my Gelsias. Let me spray your eyes. Let me spray your eyes with a sprayer at school. Uh-oh. That's so funny. That's so funny. That's so funny. That's so funny. But that's so funny, my yes. That's a shopping cart. I'm not going to school anymore. That's so funny, my yes. She's trapped in a police car. He's trapped in the police car. That's so funny, my yes. That's so very funny. That's an airplane like Southwest Airline or United Airline. We're about to. And that's so funny, by Gelsos. We have a store in Texas. We have a store in New York City, United States. We have a store in Katy, Texas. It's Walmart, Kroger, Target, or Sam's Club in Texas. So we have a store in Texas. We have a store in New York City, United States, or France, or Italy, or Ohio, or Texas. So, or Rome, or Venice, or Rome, or Venice, Italy. That's so funny, by Gelsos. That's the airplane. The airplane like Southwest Airline, the airplane, or Spirit Airline, or Frontier Airline, or Delta Airline, or United Airline, or Turkish Airline, or British Airways, or British Airways, or JetBlue Airways, or British Airways, or Southwest or Southwest Airline, or Emirates Airline, or Emirates Airline, or Air France, or British Airways, or Air France, Emirates Airline in Texas. That's so funny, by Gelsos.